So this is actually the day before my vacation. I am going on vacation tomorrow, guys. Yay! Me and my friend Gracie. But I packed my suitcase like 2 weeks ago. Everything that you see in the suitcase, I pack it. But if you look, I extend it. So maybe when I go to the airport, they're going to say to check it on. And if I'm going for like 4 or 5 days, I am not, especially I'm not going to Jamaica where I have to bring things to my family. I really don't want to check on any suitcase. I just want to um, just go into the plane with my suitcase and come off with it. I don't want to go look for suitcase when I go on vacation. So I try my best to bring a big pocket book with my little, knickknacks, and I want to bring just a carry-on suitcase. But as you can see, the suitcase extend, and if me not get it smaller, then I go tell me to check it on. So it's overpacked. So I'm gonna just go through it back and see what I need to take out of my suitcase. The necessaries, guys, because my skin is sensitive, I have to bring my own lotion, my own soap, and those stuff when I'm going. So I have to get travel size container to put my body wash, my lotion, and etc. I have to bring my Vaseline, my olive oil, and I have to make sure I have those in small containers. So every time when you're going on your trip, make sure you pack ahead of time. So when you rush back and you go on your vacation, it's like you forget things all the time. People do that. You see me when me a pack, girl, trust me pack in advance. The mind shop all a month me start put little things together in advance. Me like to plan my trip way ahead of time. Me don't like last minute, and that's who I am. I'm just that kind of person who um think ahead of time. So when we go on my vacation, I don't want to say, oh, if me didn't know, me would have bring this, or if me didn't know, me would have bring that. Me I make sure everything I go through my head. Every single thing I go through my head to make sure say I actually have, let me turn this down, it's too high. Yeah. Make sure I have everything in my suitcase. Trust me. Carry what do you call it? Um a body with a body bag, cross body bag. I carry that. I'm just a carry one big bag because if me even I go out, me not have much I bring. Like me just want to make sure someone walk with me necessaries. And when me go in a hotel, me like to bring a padlock. So everywhere me I go, me carry my key because my wallet. If me I go to the beach and them something there, yeah, my wallet have to leave and my information them in my wallet and so me like to carry a little, you know, because when the people them come in, me not go say in a everywhere, but I've seen people things missing in a hotel before, so me try my best to secure my things, my important documents. You can't move without it, and you me always carry a little padlock, lock up my suitcase when me I leave the room. Me put padlock on it, draw the zip under the bottom, and put padlock on it. So put it in a one corner. Yes, empty out my pocketbook, left my pocketbook, and put the necessaries in my suitcase. That is how me do it. Me paranoid, trust me. This is my pajama outfit where Gracie buy me for Christmas. So me only I bring two pajama. Me have little shorts in there so just in case one get messed up. But me can't use one pajama for 2 nights because me I go soak in the water. Basically me I go there for the water. Well, not just that, but me want to go, you know, tour around and see the country, different country where me I go. And my goal is really to travel, guys. This time in my life, me want to enjoy life because when me younger, me never that enjoy it, and now me literally want to at least, do one few vacation a year time as long as things happen where as long as me can able to buy my ticket, and not just that, but me have the travel membership now, and on the VIP link I actually save a lot from this. But this vacation that I'm going on is actually, it's like a free vacation stay. I only pay $70. Why? Because of the travel membership and the affiliate program that I'm in. That is what give me this opportunity to go on this vacation with a second person. You know, that's my olive oil. I have to bring like my olive oil, my Vaseline, and all this little stuff in my travel size container, because my olive oil is on my head right now. That I'm bringing. I have my own ear things that I use, but I don't want to bring too much. But I have to use. I bring mask just in case. They said I have to bring mask. I bring mask. Yeah. You know, you're going to different country. You don't know what they're gonna tell you to do at what point. These are my shoes. I've never wear these shoes before, so I just mix them up with my clothes because I've never worn any of these shoes before. I have that one like over 2-3 years, almost 2-3 years. This one I bought it last summer and it's the first I'm gonna wear them. So everything here is basically new. I have stuff in my suitcase here that has my water shoes. I have stuff in my suitcase here that I just never worn, and I have them, some of them, so long. I don't need to buy anything when I'm going on vacation. I have stuff. I bring my what do you call that now? My shower cap. I bring my sleeping cap. You know, I bring all the necessaries that needed. And I'm telling you, I start putting things together for over 2 weeks now. So I'm not supposed to leave anything. I bring baking soda because my skin's so sensitive. I'm not sure how the water work, if my skin is gonna itch me. So once I use the baking soda, then put it in my body wash when I'm taking a shower, that helps. So I don't know the water, if the water is clean. I don't really like to go into pool, so hopefully when I go into the beach, you know, it won't do my skin anything. But my skin is very sensitive and it pick up on a lot of stuff, so I can't use anything on my skin. I used to back in the days. It's so funny how your body type just change, like eczema everywhere. So I'm trying to get the suitcase back to the small size because I'm not paying $40 to check it on. I'm not. This is a carry-on and you get that free with the airline that I'm going to take. You get a carry-on free and you get your pocketbook, your handbag. Yeah, those are free. So I don't want to check on because I just want to come out of the plane and head towards my destination. No linger. When you now go to your country where you're born, where you have to meet up with your family and your friends them, and you have to pack 3-4 suitcase, it feels so good when you just carry your carry-on and you're not gone look for suitcase. You just carry your carry-on, you come off of the plane and you're gone. You're traveling like a tourist. That is what tourist is. You're not logo with nothing. Even if me I go to Jamaica and me I carry clothes to me, say it's like me I carry check on for myself alone. Me no pack like this when me I go Jamaica, you know. Me no pack in a carry-on like this when me I go Jamaica. It's like me carry a check on for myself. Even if me I go less than a week, it's a check on me I bring for myself. And plus me I go logo with almost 3 other suitcases. If I me and my husband, me I give him one because him not bring nothing like that for nobody like that. So me I give him an extra suitcase for himself. And me I carry 2 for myself or something like that, you know. But it's good. Yeah, so guys, me I pack. Me excited. Me feel so excited. My daughter just take my location because she said she have to track me. Me don't know what makes she have to track me. Every time when me I travel, I always send them where I'm going to stay, who is going to take me, if me book a ride from before me leave, you know, I give them the information for the ride, Me give them the information for the hotel, so them know which part me there. It's good for you to have your family know where you are when you're gone into some country where you don't know. You know what I mean? So, yeah. Guys, I'm confused. I don't know what to bring. And I have multiple. For knowing that I'm just going for a few days and pack so much. Oh, God. It's insane. I am going for just a few days and I'm confused. I don't know what to do here. Yeah, because the suitcase gets small now and I don't know what else to do. It gets smaller, but I have a couple things that I'm not going to bring. Yeah, I'm not gonna bring some of these stuff. And I don't want to be there and I need the stuff because sometimes you get up in the morning, you go to the pool, you come home, you take a shower in the night. Sometimes you maybe want to go have dinner, and even though I know you and your spouse, you don't want to look the worst having dinner down, you go downstairs, you have dinner, you sit down there, you have your dinner. It's not like you're going to carry your food in your bedroom. You want clothes to put on, and if you're going there for at least 5 days, you want to make sure you have everything, the necessaries. Me no left nothing. Me a telling this, me no left nothing. Over 2 weeks, me I go through my head to see what me I left. When me tell you me all carry my baking soda, me carry my baking soda. And I mean, you can buy these things there, but I don't know where I'm going, where to get anything, so I bring everything with me. Everything from my house. My throat, my lotion, my throat, my conditioner, my throat, my shampoo in a travel size. Because them do give you soap in these fancy hotels, but my skin, they will scratch my skin. And me have to make sure I carry things when I know say is very calm. When it come on to strong cologne, I can't bring that. I have to bring mild cologne because I don't want to down there and have no headache. So me and Gracie I go at war because me and her go sleep in one bed for the first time. In a one king size bed. We never have no double bed. And in love sweet up, so me no know. My husband, when him a do him sweet up, me no in the room. It have to ear out because me can't take a headache. It's too cologne them when them too strong, can't deal with them. But anyway, guys, that is it. I'm almost done packed. Yes, I'm still a panda. When me feel leave. And suppose me telling us say, me I go through the suitcase and it no look like me want left nothing here, so because me prefer overpack than underpack. Me prefer know say me down there me have clothes. Yes. Me prefer know that. Me have clothes, so me not have to worry about nothing. I still I put back every damn thing in the suitcase. So for sure to say, when me done, I just want short sleeve right here, so. Just one shorts. You say me not carry this and me not carry that and me end up carry everything. Trust me. That's just it. Carry everything. Me left the shorts, the pink shorts on the bed, me leave it, and then me turn round and put it in my handbag. Me say me never da go carry it, and then me turn round, put it in my handbag. But me tell you, me mostly carry light stuff. Me carry leggings, mostly leggings and, long shirt. This is a pink leggings. Yes. I think it's a Puma. And this top, I think I wear it once when I was in Jamaica. 2022, I did brought it to Jamaica. I don't remember if I wear it. But this leggings is a pink Puma leggings, I think. And it goes so well with this top. And then I'm going to have my tube top underneath that. So that's good for me. I have a pink tube top. You can wear it with that. Yep. So I'm packing, you guys. I'm packing to go on my vacation. I might go live when I'm there, but yeah, I might go live, guys. So me and can chat. I'm actually bring some Digicel and Flow credit. We might do Digicel and Flow while I'm there. If I'm bored. Well, maybe not. I mean, if I'm not on the road every day, like if I have a day that I'm not on the road, because what going to do is like set up tour guide to tour me in other country. Because I don't want to rent a vehicle. Anytime I'm going to a country that I don't know, I don't want to rent any vehicle. Because if I don't know where I'm going, I don't want to drive around with GPS. I can't get to look and see. The same thing when I went to Bahamas, even though my husband was there, he didn't want to like drive. He really wanted to take the bus. And I wanted to take the bus. So sometimes it's good when both of us have the same idea. If I'm going to Jamaica, 100% I'll rent a, I mean, I don't have to rent a car because my husband have car down there, but I, if it's like you have to get a vehicle when you're there at Jamaica because you know everywhere you want to go everywhere. So you can't take the bus. But like when we go on a vacation, is either me use a tour guide or something like that. Anyway, guys, that's it.
Just done pack.